Key government schemes for children in India focus on health, education, and protection, including the PM Cares for Children, support for COVID orphaned children, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Girl Child Savings, Poshan Abhiyan, Nutrition, and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. These programs provide financial aid, free education, and nutritional support to ensure development. Key government schemes for children in India. PM Cares for Children offers a Rs 10 lakh corpus, health insurance, and educational. PM Cares for Children launched for support and empowerment of COVID-19 affected children. Government stands with children who lost their parents due to COVID-19. Such children to get a monthly stipend once they turn 18 and a fund of 10 lakh when they turn 23 from PM Cares. Free education to be ensured for children who lost their parents to COVID-19. Children will be assisted to get an education loan for higher education and PM Cares will pay interest on the loan. Children will get free health insurance of 5 lakh under Ayushman Bharat till 18 years and premium will be paid by PM Cares. Children represent the future of the country and we will do everything to support and protect the children. PM Narendra Modi. It is our duty as a society to care for our children and instill hope for a bright future. PM Narendra Modi. Government schemes for child welfare and protection. Integrated child development, Poshan Abhiyan, Mission Vatsalya, ICPS, Balika Samriddhi Yojana, Midday Meal Scheme, Scheme for Adolescent Girls, Kishori Shakti Yojana, PM Poshan. Key government schemes for children in India. PM Cares for Children offers a Rs 10 lakh corpus health insurance and educational support for children who lost parents to COVID-19. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, a savings scheme specifically for the girl child offering higher interest rates and tax benefits for education or marriage. Poshan Abhiyan National Nutrition Mission aims to reduce malnutrition, stunting, and anemia among children, pregnant women, and lactating mothers. Midday Meal Scheme PM Poshan provides free hot meals to children in government schools to improve attendance and nutritional status. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao focuses on improving the child sex ratio and encouraging education for girls. Government schemes for child welfare. Pencil Integrated Child Development Services, National Child Labor Protection, Integrated Child Protection Scheme, Ladli Lakshmi Yojana, Samagra Samriddhi Abhiyan Midday Meal Scheme, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Udan Sarva Shikshana Abhiyan, Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0, Mission Vatsalya, National Health Mission, Mission Vatsalya, formerly Child Protection Services, provides financial aid up to rupees 4,000 per month for sponsorship or foster care to ensure rehabilitation. Ayushman Bharat (PMJ) provides health insurance coverage of rupees 5 lakh to children from eligible households. राष्ट्रीय बाल Swasthya Karyakram (RBSK) focuses on early identification and intervention for children from birth to 18 years to improve their quality of life. Integrated Child Development Services (ICDS) provides nutritional, health, and educational services to children below 6 years as well as pregnant women. Specific support and protection programs. Child Helpline 1098, a 24 into 7 emergency phone service for children in distress. CBSE Merit Scholarship, scholarship for single girl children who have excelled in CBSE Class 10. आपकी बेटी हमारी बेटी हरियाणा encourages childbirth and education. Manjhi Kanya Bhagyashree scheme, a Maharashtra government initiative to support girl child education and welfare. Chief Minister's Girl Child Protection Scheme, Tamil Nadu, aims to prevent gender discrimination and empower girls through financial incentives. Start saving for a bright future of girls. Invest in dreams with Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana for girls up to 10 years of age. Deposit of minimum rupees 250, maximum rupees 1.5 lakh per financial year. Enjoy in interest rate of 8.2%. Easily transfer the account across India between post offices or banks. Government schemes for the girl child. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Balika Samriddhi Yojana, CBSE Udan scheme, Dhana Lakshmi scheme. Children in conflict with law, children in contact with law, missing, lost and found children, orphaned, abandoned, destitute children, street children, working children, differently abled children, target groups, trafficked children, children from families at risk, engaged in substance abuse, HIV or AIDS infected affected children, abused children affected by conflict and disaster.